Hey guys, Barry here with Redact.dev. I'm going to do a short video tutorial today on how to completely delete your entire Facebook history. This will remove your posts, your comments, your pictures. It will literally wipe your everything from Facebook. You will have no more traces on Facebook. So what you want to do is download Redact. The download is in the description of this video. Download it, install it. Once you install it, open it up, go to the left side, choose on Facebook, and then you will be presented with this screen. You see the date range here. You want to do all time, so select these, make sure they look just like that, and scroll down a little bit more. You want to select posts and comments. You want to select my timeline in groups and on others' timelines. You want to keep scrolling. Make sure you have images, no attachment, videos, and link embeds clicked. Okay, make sure you have both of these clicked where it says filter by your text content. Now you scroll all the way down. The options down here, if you want to do a preview mode just to see what you're about to delete, this is what you would do. You would do preview and start previewing, and then a new screen will pop up and it will go through, it'll start searching your Facebook history, and it will show you a huge list of all the things that are about to be deleted. If you look at that list and you say to yourself, okay, this is definitely what I want to do, then you would go to deletion mode and you would start deleting. So the thing with deletion mode is once you click that button, there's no going back. It's going to start deleting, and that content, those pictures, the posts, everything, it's gone forever. So when you click this, make sure you really want to do this. The other option is to do select and delete mode, and what will happen is it's sort of a mix between preview mode and deletion mode. So if you select this one, and everything in your Facebook history will pop up on a screen, and it will allow you to pick and choose what you want to delete. So maybe there's just some stuff you want to delete and there's other stuff you want to leave. This is what you would choose. But if you really want to get rid of everything, this is the option for you. So just remember, there's no going back from this, and it will completely wipe your entire Facebook history all at once with one click. So just be really sure you want to do it before you click this. And that's it. That's how you wipe your entire Facebook history. Really simple, really easy, free to download, free to try. So give it a shot and let us know if it helps you out. Thanks. Have a good one.